Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys with a 2.4 GDI engine and you're trying to remove or replace the Serpentine belt. Stay with us, we'll explain all that today guys. We'll explain how to remove it, how to install it. If you need a diagram, all that will be shared in today's video. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. We simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you where everything is located. So let's explain everything about that Serpentine belt replacement today. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is it guys, this is the 2.4 engine, and with the engine being out guys, we can clearly show you where the belt is located, okay, the diagram, how to remove it, everything with a great detail. Many of you guys have been asking us in the comment section below to share actually what computers we use for diagnostics, which one we recommend, so I decided to share that information with you. That's the scanner guys. I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, so key is right here, and check out the link if you want to learn more about it. Now, let's explain what we have specifically here. Okay, if you come on the left side of the engine, this is your Serpentine belt. Now, you will have to work on top and you may need to work underneath as well to be able to remove and install it, but it's all possible with the engine being in the vehicle. Looking at it guys, this is your crankshaft here. Then you have the AC compressor, then you have alternator, then you have idle pulley, water pump, tensioner pulley right here. So now, how do you guys remove that belt? Pretty simple. The tensioner pulley guys right here. In our case it's a 14 millimeter. Okay, you get on the bolt. Offset box wrench works really good when the vehicle is in the engine is in the vehicle. You go counterclockwise, you release the belt and you can simply pull it out guys. Now the belt will come off, get it off all your pulleys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, okay, where you can get it from. So now let's go ahead and explain how to install that Serpentine belt. So when you're ready to install it guys, now let me explain something. While the belt is out, okay, inspect your pulleys, idle pulleys guys. Make sure they're not grinding and they're not loose. Okay, this one is a good pulley. This one here, okay, it's getting a little bit loose, so soon this one might need to be replaced. It's getting a little bit noisy, the bearing. Tensioner pulley, we just replaced, okay, our tensioner not too long ago, but I recommend if you're doing the belt guys, replace the tensioner pulley and the idle pulleys and the belt as well, because you did that thing probably every 120,000 miles. They last a long time nowadays, but those pulleys guys, okay, I recommend to replace them as well, and I'll put a link to the kit in the description of the video below. So we start with the AC compressor. Make sure the belt goes in all the canals. Okay, from there it goes to the, okay, let me see now. From here it goes to the alternator, from the alternator it goes to the idle pulley, from there to that idle pulley guys. Okay, now we're going to install it right here on the crankshaft, and usually you will not be able to install it on the tensioner pulley when it's in the vehicle. So what you will need to do, okay, come off guys, okay, the top idle pulley. Okay, 1 second, because I came loose on the bottom. I'm gonna put tension on it, hold it like that. Careful not to pinch your fingers between the belt and the pulleys, because if it snaps it will come loose. Install it, make sure it's in, okay, on every pulley, and it's aligned correctly, otherwise the belt will be thrown or destroyed, and it can even cause damage to even the front crankshaft here. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.